Okay, this is called neutral back position. It's a great exercise. Basically, you're not doing much, but you're actually laying there in the correct, most anti-gravity neutral position that your body knows to relax your back, relax the muscles, and release pain in your spine. Palms are up, get a block so that your legs are at a right angle practically, without shoes ideally. You're gonna hold this for a couple minutes. You're gonna put your butt up against like the couch, or if you have a block like this, or a bed, or a chair where your legs are at a right angle, and breathe and relax your entire body. Let all your gravity muscles relax. All the muscles that cause back pain are relaxing in this position. Your back is sinking into the ground, and it's probably one of the best positions to go in if you ever have a severe back pain episode. Go right into this neutral back position, and you can do it for a couple minutes at a time.